A mentee of mine sent a new product she's about to launch across for me to test run and give her feedback, and it broke me out. Now, this is not a sign that the product is bad, as I actually supervise the formula writing of that particular product. The formula is excellent. Her procedure, her production procedure was excellent, but it's only a sign that that product was not very good for my skin type, as I have a naturally very sensitive skin. So what I did was I gave her a comprehensive feedback. I identified the ingredients that are most likely to be giving me that reaction, and I told her what to do, how to interchange it, how to, lay and structure her formula for it to get a better, more pleasing, alluring result that will be safe for both sensitive skin and normal skin people. And she did implement it, and the product came out nice after all. So this is a sign for you to join our mentorship program. Please note, my mentorship program is not for learners or beginners. It could be for beginners, but it is for people that have already learned how to formulate. So you're either about to launch your skincare brand, or you have launched your skincare brand and you want a guide that will hold your hand, somebody you can talk to, somebody you can call and ask questions if need be. That is what the mentorship program is about. We're not teaching you how to formulate. You must have mastered the art, the science, and the craft of formulation first. So what you're coming to us for is, I'm trying to formulate this, but this went wrong. What can I do? And then we'll guide you. Our mentorship subscription is for a whole year, so you renew annually. If you're interested, send us a DM right now. Meanwhile, join me as I made a whole face kit to treat this, because I own a spa and I also own a skincare brand, so my clients don't want to see me looking like this. So I made a whole treatment face kit for this, and today I'll be showing you how I made the face wash that I've been using. It's a tea tree foaming face wash. It's very mild, and I will also be showing you the result of this tea tree foaming face wash by next week, because I'm giving it 2 weeks to take this off my face. Mind you, it's not just the face wash that I'm going to be using. I made a whole kit comprising of a mask, a serum, and a face cream. And I just want to share this particular formula with you because I needed to prove to you guys. I get a lot of question on, Feli, are you sure the formulas you share on your TikTok and your YouTube works? Are they effective? Is this something that I can make and sell? And I tell you over and over again, anything you see on my channel or on my page is very effective. You can sell them, it's safe. But if you want to learn how to make skincare product, that is, write your own skincare products from scratch, you want to learn how to bring those products to life, then you should sign up for any of our classes, be it skincare, haircare, lipcare, whatever care that you want to care about, and we'll be more than delighted to guide you. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So today we are going to be making a tea tree foaming face wash that will help treat mild to medium acne, keep your face looking fresh and clean without stripping your skin of its natural oils. In a clean beaker, you want to add in your distilled water. You can actually make use of your hydrosols, any hydrosol of your choice, or you can combine both distilled water and hydrosol. But for this formula, I'll be making use of just distilled water. Don't forget that we have our distilling water machine in case you need it. Say goodbye to buying distilled water anytime you need to distill water. All you need to do is get your machine, and you've taken off that expense for life in your formulation journey. Distilled water is a key part of skincare, hair care, whatever care formulation that you're going to be doing. So buying that machine will save you a whole lot. Send us a DM now if you really want to get yours. Up next, we're going to be going in with our EDTA. EDTA is a chelating agent. It helps to bind metal ions like calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper. EDTA helps with better foam performance in hard water conditions. It helps to improve the clarity and stability of your product. It helps to improve the preservative performance, thereby increasing durability of that product. It also helps to reduce the risk of discoloration over time in your products. Next, we're going to be adding in our vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin serves as a humectant in this formula. It helps to improve skin softness. It helps to prevent tightness after washing, and it helps to reduce that, harsh feeling of dryness that most surfactant-based product comes with. Then we're going to be adding in our propanediol. Propanediol is a multifunctional humectant or solvent. It helps to improve skin feel and supports preservation. It helps to hydrate the skin without that sticky feel that comes with using excess glycerin. So it's also a humectant support or a moisturization support to this face wash system, as well as a preservation support to help improve the shelf life of this face wash. Up next, we're going to be adding in our panthenol. Panthenol is also known as provitamin B5. It is a humectant and also a soothing agent that will help to calm the skin while hydrating it. Now that we're done with the phase A, we're going to set that aside and prep our surfactant phase. And the first surfactant that we're going to be working with in this formula is decyl glucoside. Decyl glucoside is a non-ionic surfactant made from glucose and fatty alcohol. It is a sulfate-free surfactant and very gentle, 100% ideal for facial products. If you do not know what surfactants are the foaming agents. They are the reason why your shower gel foams, why your facial cleanser foams. And if you do not know how to use or combine surfactant, then that is a cue that you need to register for any of our cosmetic product formulation classes. Up next, we're going to be adding cocamidopropyl betaine, also known short formally as cocoa betaine. Cocoa betaine is an amphoteric surfactant. It is not usually the main cleanser, but it's a very powerful, mild booster for your surfactant. Then we're going to add in our cocoa glucoside. Cocoa glucoside is a gentle plant-derived sulfate-free surfactant, and it is very ideal for facial products. Knowing or understanding how to blend your surfactant is key to making a very wonderful, efficient wash system, be it shower gels or facial washes. Next, we're going to be adding in the star of the show, which is our tea tree essential oil. We're adding tea tree essential oil at such a low percentage because essential oil can be very irritating when used in excess. And since this is a facial product, we want to get the properties of the tea tree without irritating the face. It helps to support acne-prone skin. It helps to reduce bacterial load on skin surface, and it gives a fresh medicinal clean scent. So we put in the tea tree essential oil into the surfactant phase because the surfactants are going to act as a solubilizer to prevent the oil from floating at the top and the water floating down. We did that because we do not have polysorbate 80 or polysorbate 20, which are the most common type of solubilizers that are known in cosmetic product formulation. Now that the surfactant phase is ready, we're going to gently pour the surfactant phase, which is the phase B, into the phase A, the water phase, and we're going to pour it in bits to prevent things from foaming too much. So we're going to pour in a bit, stir a bit, pour in a bit, stir a bit till the surfactant phase is completely exhausted. Up next, we're going to be adding in our allantoin, which is our first ingredient in the phase C. Allantoin is a soothing agent. It helps to protect the skin, calm irritation, and supports healing. Up next, we're going to be adding lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid that matches the skin's natural acidic mantle. It helps to reduce dryness and sensitivity and also supports acne-prone skin barrier. Up next, we're going to be adding in our Germal Plus. Germal Plus is going to be serving as the preservative in this wash system. Of course, we already know what preservatives do. It helps to prevent the formation of mold and also ensure that the shelf life of this product is long and the product is durable. And just like that, our foaming face wash is ready. Then we're going to go over to checking and balancing the pH of this formula. So we're going to just take a bit of the foaming face wash and put it over the pH strip and observe the change in color. Then we are going to match it up. We're looking at having or arriving at a pH between 5 to 5.5 for this formula because it's just ideal for a facial product. So from the color matchup, we can see that the pH is somewhere between 5 and 6. If you don't know anything about pH and pH balancing, then that's a cue that you need to register for any of our classes. And that's the end, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, depending on where you're seeing this video. What video would you like to see next? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see how we can make that happen. Thank you for watching.